Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Go language on Ubuntu. Let's verify whether Go installed or not. See, command -go command not found. First we have to download Go language by using wget. It is downloading 115 megabytes. We have successfully downloaded Go language for Linux and the file is tar file. Now extract this tar file into user local directory. Command is sudo tar -c user local then xgf then tar file name. Press enter. We have successfully extracted Go language tar file. Let's verify. ls -ltrh. See, there is a folder created with Go. First step, we have downloaded Go language tar file. Then we have extracted Go language into this user local directory. Now we are going to set environment variable. Command is export path equals to $path user local then bin then go then bin. We have successfully set the environment variable. Now verify Go installed or not. See, we have successfully installed Go language version 1.15.5. Let's create Go program and execute it. Create a file with the extension go vi test.go, then press I to insert mode and paste this command. Whatever the commands executed in this video will be available in the video description. Save and quit. Now build this Go file. Go build test.go. We have successfully built. Let's verify the file is created. See, test file is created. Now execute this test. See the output. So in this video we have seen how to download, extract and set the environment variable. Then we have seen an example to execute Go program. We are going to add more Go language videos. For more Go language videos, please subscribe my channel.